Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we have an amazing video. There is a leaked hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 that you're looking at right now in black color. Now this is not my video, this is coming from a YouTube channel known as Drone Mania, where he uploaded this video just recently. Now by the way, if you have not reserved this phone, there's going to be a link down below in the top pinned comment and description box. Reserve this phone now to get the best possible deals tomorrow when it's released. If you reserve now, you'll pay less tomorrow. If you don't reserve, you'll pay more. Links down below. This guy has the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3 sitting on the background. But here's the main display, 120 Hz. He's now going to show the actual camera hole cutout, the under display camera, which as you can see is much better than a hole punch. There is some pixelation where it is at, but here's a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. All right, we have a larger outer display, two cameras, the flash, black matte color. This is great. This is great. Look at that. When you open up, the inner display is 120 Hz, so it's going to be a great phone with a hole punch cutout. He goes to the settings. Let's see what we have. About phone. That's where he went. He hit the numbers over there, of course. Let's see what he does over here. Goes to YouTube. All right. Nice and smooth operation from what we can see. Let's go to the settings. Look at that hole punch cutout area. Barely can see that there's a camera there unless you really look at it up close and personal. But this is the display. I mean, this is the phone. The display can be turned around either way. That's why it can be your phone and your tablet. Okay. Otherwise, as you can see, the phone looks very much like the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2, except for the inner display and the under display camera. Make sure to tune in to the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event that's going to be tomorrow, August the 11th. All right? Have a fantastic day, guys. All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.